Bhastrika Pranayam today. We will learn and do Bhastrika Pranayam today. Bhastrika Pranayam is a very high energy pranayam. It rejuvenates each and every cell of the body. In earlier time, when kings used to go for fight with the enemies, they will do Bhastrika Pranayam before going to the fight. Then they are filled with the whole of energy in every cell of their body and mind, and they could do the fight. Today, we also have to fight with our negativity, our low energy, and thousand type of diseases. And this new disease, Corona. I tell you one thing, if you do Bhastrika Pranayam daily, this Corona cannot touch you. And if you are already suffering from Corona, you do this Bhastrika Pranayam daily, you will be really benefited. You will get cured very fast. For more videos of this type of yoga and pranayam, subscribe my channel Yogi Dinesh Jindal and press the bell button. One thing more, persons with high blood pressure and hernia, they should avoid doing Bhastrika Pranayam. Even if they really want to do, they do it slowly, very slowly. One thing more I tell you, this Bhastrika Pranayam is really good for the diseases related with sinuses like asthma, bronchitis. They are cured very fast. Also, the chest blockage, that is also cured very fast by doing this Bhastrika Pranayam daily. Now, we will learn Bhastrika Pranayam. So, we will do Bhastrika Pranayam in Vajrasana. Those who cannot sit in Vajrasana, those who are operated or otherwise, they can sit in Sukhasana. And those who cannot sit in Sukhasana even, they can sit on the chair and do Bhastrika Pranayam. The only condition is spine should be erect and head straight. So let's learn. Position. Loose fist in front of shoulders. Elbows touching the body. When we go up, hands will open out and come back. Loose fist closed and elbows touching the body. Just see. But this is exercise, not pranayam. Once we associate breath with the exercise, it becomes pranayam. When the hands are going up, we'll inhale. And when the hands are coming back down, we'll exhale forcefully. Just see. A normal breath in and out. Now, in normal breath with full force. Breathe in, out. If something precious has come out of your nose, you can wipe it out. As I told you, this Bhastrika Pranayam is really good for sinuses. The problems related to sinuses get cured very soon, like asthma, bronchitis, and even the chest blockage. It gets cured very fast. So now we'll do it together. Sit in Vajrasana, position, loose fist in front of the shoulders, elbows touching the body, smile on the face, a normal breath in and out. Another long and deep breath in. With a smile, let it go. Now, in normal breath, with full force, breathe in, out, in, out. And relax. Eyes closed. Wipe out your nose. Feel the fresh flow of energy. Third round of Bhastrika Pranayama.